Welcome to Inside the Beltline Raleigh. Our latest listing is just a 3-minute walk to Ridgewood Shopping Center, featuring Drift Coffee, Taco Bamba, and of course Whole Foods. I'm Julia Sawchek with the Coley Group.
And I'm Claire Gens. Today we're excited to show you our latest listing. Let's go take a look. So one of the things about this house that I feel like is incredibly desirable to so many people is you have a great blend of the old that has the character but also the new. So for example, you have original hardwoods throughout this living area. You can also see the owners kept the original brick fireplace. But on the other hand, you have all new electrical, all new plumbing, you have brand new windows throughout. So they really did a great job of balancing updates with keeping the character that so many people seek in a home. So you can see we have the living room behind me, and you have a great spot for a large dining table here. One of my other favorite things about this home is that it has such a warm and inviting feeling, but you also have so much natural light, and because of the vaulted ceilings, it still feels really nice and open. And one of the things I know that you guys are going to be big fans of is this kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss it over to Julia, and she's gonna share with you about that.
Welcome to your entertainer's paradise. Let's talk about this massive island. It's 11 feet long, so all of your loved ones can gather around if you've got a charcuterie board, if your kids are enjoying some breakfast before school. One of the best features about this huge island is there's storage all around. So whether you've got a KitchenAid mixer, you've got those pesky tools you never use, you've got plenty of space for them in this kitchen. Speaking of space, can we talk about this 48-inch stovetop? You've got 8 burners. I don't even know what you could possibly cook at one time that would require 8 burners, but I love that. Double ovens, and when you're ready to clean up, you've got a beautiful farmhouse sink. Of course, all of your ingredients aren't too far by. You've got a beautiful walk-in pantry, and then you've just got beautiful details throughout this house. Above the fridge, you've got some great wine, adult beverage storage, so you're never too far away from your next cocktail.
So now that Julia has given us a great tour of the kitchen, let's head to your additional flex space. So right before we enter into the flex space, you're greeted by this mudroom area. This is right off of the back screened-in porch. You have your laundry set up with additional storage, and you have your half bath.
Welcome to my favorite spot in the home. We're in our flex space. You can see the gorgeous details from other spots in the home is transferred into this brand new area. We've got a gorgeous mural framing one of my favorite shows. And a little secret is that this flex space is also a bedroom. You've got your closet right over here. I'll show you the bed in just a second. I love that you've got plenty of space for a huge sectional for your big game days, watching movies with your loved ones. You've also got my desk over here, and I love you get gorgeous natural light from your huge backyard. If you've got your dog playing outside, you can keep an eye on them. Remember that bedroom I just mentioned? Check out this built-in, that's right, built-in Murphy bed, desk, Murphy bed, and you've got even more storage over there. This is a truly emblematic space of a flex room. It's flexible, there's so many uses, and I can't wait to see how you use it.
Okay, I feel like the crazy thing is we've actually only seen half the house so far.
No, literally, there's another 3 bedrooms and 2 fully renovated baths down the hallway. The beautiful original hardwoods carry down the hallway and into 2 spacious guest bedrooms. These guest bedrooms are supplemented with a beautiful full bathroom with a dual vanity and brand new bath and shower.
Okay, welcome to your spacious primary suite. I love that this room gets so much natural light, and you have this great walk-in closet right here. And like we mentioned before, you have the original hardwoods that extend through here as well. But wait till you see your renovated bathroom.
In North Carolina, we love to spend all year long outdoors. Thankfully at this property, there are so many opportunities to do just that. Whether it be lounging on your screened-in porch, hanging out with friends and family by a fire on your paved patio, or stretching out on your half-acre lot, safely fenced in with your privacy fence, there are so many opportunities to get outside and relax.
Obviously the house is gorgeous, but we can't forget about the location. Great walkability, slice of ITB living.
I mean, it's incredible. You can't find a 1956 ranch with this amount of updates.
And for under $800.
It's really crazy. We are so excited for you to see it. If you're interested in this property, reach out to us today at the Coley Group.